Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of this differential equations chapter. This is from second year Maths B. So 8th A exercise, okay, so we are going to find this exercise section 3 solutions in this video. I uploaded already section 1 and 2 video, so please go through watch that one and after come to this exercise this video. Now this is section 3, first question here. Now this is section 3 here from form the not from form the differential equations. He asking us to form the differential equations of the following family of curves where parameters are given in the brackets. So we have to erase this, we have to eliminate this and we have to form the differential equations here. Now here solution. So given question is what y is equal to a into e power of 3x plus b into e power of 4x is given. So first we'll derivative with respect to the x of this equation. Okay, na? So this equation will derivative with the x here. So that will come y1 is equal to, if we derivative this one though, so a is constant, e power of x derivative e power of x only. In that x is 3 there, 3 into e power of 3x will come again. Says after that plus here 4 into b e power of 4x will come again here. So this is where derivative of this given first equation. So now here one thing we can do here. So I will take this to the left side of the equation, y1 minus 3a into e power of 3x is equal to 4be or power of e power of 4x will come here. See this one. So from this equation, from this question here, first question, like minus y minus a into e power of 3x is equal to b into e power of 4x we can write now. So this, so I will use here, okay, so I will use here y1 minus 3a e power of 3x is equal to 4 into, in this place I will replace this with the this one, okay. So what is that one? Y minus a into e power of 3x will remain here from this one. So y1 minus 3a e power of 3x is equal to 4y minus 4 into a e power of 3x will come. So this is goes to the left side of the equation, these two things, it will become y1 minus 3a e power of 3x plus 4a e power of 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. This I am taking this and this and okay. So it will become minus 3a e power of x minus 4a e power of x is equal to y1 plus a into e power of 3x will remain minus 4x will remain is equal to 0 here. Here 0. Now from this I will do one thing. So I will write y1 minus 4y is equal to, this is I will take to the right side of the equation, it will become minus a into e power of 3x will come. So I will do a derivative again with this one, it will become, so derivative with the derivative with respect to x here. So this one I am doing, it will become y2 will come here minus 4 y1 will come is equal to, this will become minus a into 3 into e power of 3x will come again. Okay, so from this a into e power of 3x is equal to how much? Y1 minus 4y, no? So I will submit in this place. So y2 minus 4y1 is equal to minus a into so minus a naught minus 3 into a into e power of 3x is equal to minus a into, so is equal to y1 minus 4y will come here. Y1 minus 4y will come here. So this we can write it as I will take this also to the left side of the equation, it will become, I'm writing here y2, this minus 4y, this is minus 3y 1, so is equal to minus 7y1 will come here, y1, and this 4y will come inside, it will become 3 4 ja 12, no, so this 3 into 4 3 into y, so that's why 7y will come here. And again this is 4 2 ja 12, minus 12 means plus 12 will come here, plus 12y is equal to 0. So this y2 is equal to how much? D square y by dx square, okay, minus 7 into dy by dx plus 12y is equal to 0. So this is answer of given question here. Now moving to the next question, second one. Now here third question here, solution. Second question I will tell you in the next video, okay. First question, third question will do. Solution here, a x square plus b y square is equal to 1 is given here, where we have to eliminate the a comma b here, okay. So here I will take by square is equal to 1 minus ax square. I am right here directly. Okay. So from this, what we do like differentiation with the both sides. Differentiate with the with respect to like x we can take here. So it will become what will come here, by square is there na, so it will become b is a constant, y square is equal to 2y will come into dy by dx will come here, dy by dx. So and after that what will come here is equal to, this is 1 is a 0 and it minus 2a x will come here, 2a x. So it will become 2by into dy by dx will come is equal to minus 2a x will come here, 2a x. So here this is we think that as 1, the first one, and this is as second one too. So I will do here 1 by, sorry, 2 by 1 here, 2 by 1 kare to what will happen, we'll see here. 2 is equal to 2b by 1 is equal to, sorry, is equal to, will write like that. So after this by square is equal to, so minus 2a x divided by, so what will come, this is 1 minus ax square, minus ax square. So b will get cancelled, y and y square will get cancelled. What will remain here, 2 will also will get cancelled from these two terms. Y1 by y will remain. So y1 by y is equal to, what will remain in this one, minus ax divided by 1 minus ax square will remain here. 1 minus ax square will remain here. And after that we can do anything. So we do cross multiplication here. So if we do cross multiplication, though it will become to this one. So y1 minus y1 a x square will come here. Left side of the equation it will goes to this one, minus a x y will come, minus a x y will come here. So from this, you if we can do anything you can, so I will take this to the right side of the equation, it will become y1 is equal to y1 ax square minus ax y will come here, y will come. So y1 is equal to, so y1 is equal to what we can write it as, so here we can common ax from this one, ax into x1 निकाले तो क्या होता, x y1 minus ax निकाले तो y will remain here, y will remain here. So a is equal to y1 divided by x into x y1 minus y will remain here, this one total. So from this, if you want to do anything, we'll do here. Now this we have to derivative with x again, derivative with respect to x. So this is u and this is v. U by v form you have to use. So we'll do in the next page. A is equal to how much we got here, y1 divided by x into, so y1 divided by x into what, how much, x y1 minus y. So this we got. So we have to derivative now this one with respect to x. So it will become d by dx of a will come here is equal to, this is u by v form. So what is u by v form? What is u by v form here? Now u by v form this one here. So v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square here we have to take. So what is v here? This one. So means x square y 1 minus xy into, so this is u dash. U dash is equal to y2 will come here. So already y1 there, so y2 will come. And minus will come here, minus u is equal to y1. So y1 into, so what will come here? This is x square into y1 na? So x square into y1 means, so this is x uv method again in this one, x square y2 will come, and again so plus this y1 will remain like that only, x square derivative is 2x will come. Okay, so after that minus of xy, x y1 plus y will come here. So this will come total. So in this area, like in this area only, na? In this area only, y1 into, okay. Now divided by v square. V square is equal to x square y1 minus xy whole square will come here. This will be there. Here xy, this is x square y1. So this will come here. So now dA by dx is equal to 0, we know already. So this denominator will come side left side of the 0, so it will become also 0. So what will remain here, x square y minus xy into y2 will remain minus y1 into So this x square y2 plus this is y1 2x y1, like 2x y1. I will write neatly here, 2x y1 minus x y1. This is minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus y is equal to, so like this one come is equal to 0. I will write that one. So what we can do here more, anything do we can, we'll do multiply with this one. We do, shall we do? Mm, okay, we'll try. So here x square y y2 minus xy y2 minus this is will do, so it will become x square, this minus into this one, x square this into this one, x square y1 y2 y1 into this one, so minus y1, sorry, first 2x is there, so 2x will remain like that only, will come, will write erase here this one, and so what will come here, 2x into y1 square minus y1 into this one. So see here, this is like 2xy1 minus xy1 is equal to, so 1xy1. Okay, this will come as like I will do again. 2xy1 minus xy1, so y1 into y1, xy1 whole square, xy1 square minus x y1 will come, y1 is equal to 0. So x square y1 y2, anything there to cancel? Nothing there to cancel now. So here x square y1 y2. So here this is y1 is there now. So y1 we have to write here. So here also will come. So this x square y1 y2. So this is x square y1 y2 will get cancelled here. So what will remain, xy into y2. This minus also I will common from these all terms. It will become, this minus will go on. This minus will go on, will become plus x y1 square, and this plus y1 is equal to 0. So this is xy into d square y by dx square plus, and this x into dy by dx of whole square plus y into dy by dx will come is equal to 0. So this is answer of second question, third question. So this is long question, so we have to take this as a 4 marks question maximum. Now moving to the next question. Now fourth question here, solution. So given question is what, x y is equal to ax square plus b by x. What we have to eliminate, a comma b. So in this b by x, no, so here LCM is total, I will do x is equal to, this is ax square means ax into x square, x cube will come plus b by x will come. So this x I will take to the left side of the equation, it will become x square y is equal to ax cube plus b is the like this will come here, b is equal to, okay. Now I will do this as with respect to the derivative with respect to x. Okay, it will become UV method, like, okay, this x square and y are two variables, not constants. Okay, whenever constant is there, na, constant will take outside of the derivative. So here variables, two variables, na, x into y, so UV method. So here x square I will u v dash is equal to y1 plus v u dash v is equal to I, u dash is equal to x square means 2x will come here is equal to this 3ax square will come a, right, very good, plus 0, this is constant will become 0, total derivative kare to. So after this one what we can do here, so here x square y1 plus y2 xy will come here, 2xy is equal to 3x square here, 2a x square, this is 2xy. So all having common x, so we'll cancel x here, so it will become xy 1 plus 2y is equal to 3ax will come. So removing x from this one, this one, this one, every term. Okay, so or else you take this from, remove from these two terms and cancel this one. Okay, xy1 plus 2y is equal to 3ax will come here, 3ax. Again we have to do, if we necessary to the okay, we'll do with respect to the, like, again derivative with respect to x here. Okay, it will become this is uv again, so uv dash means u is equal to what, x, u dash is equal to y2, plus again what will come y1 into x, x is equal to derivative 1 only, so plus into 2 y1 will come here is equal to 3a derivative x is equal to 3a will only come here. Here x sorry x y2 plus y1 plus 2y1 is equal to 3a we got here. Now this is x y2 plus 3y1 is equal to 3a will get here from this one. Okay, after that what we have to do here? So from this we'll take this as 1 and this as 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 will do the 1 by 2. So here 1 is what x y1 plus 2y is equal to 3ax and divided by x y2 plus 3y1 3y1 is equal to na, so this is equal to divided by what will come 3a will come, so 3a will get cancelled if we do cross multiplication though. So xy plus 2y xy1 is equal to y is equal to x into xy2 plus 3y1 will come here. So this is x y1 will like that only. This is 2y is equal to x into x square y2 plus 3x y1 will come here. 3x y1 will come here. So if you want to do, you can do anything or you will leave it only. So this x square I'm writing here x square into y2 means d square y by dx square I'm writing like that only. After that uh, 3x into like this one. So here it will goes this side and it will become 2 into. So like plus 2 into 2x into y1. y1 is equal to dx dy by dx. And this 2y will go there, so it will become 2y is equal to 0. So this is answer of given question here. Now moving to the next question. Now second question is obtain the differential equation which corresponds to each of the following family of curves. So here first question is given the circle which touch the y-axis. Circle touching the y-axis, not x-axis, means it is 0 here. Y-axis means 0. So what is the circle formula? Circle general equation x square plus y square plus what is that? 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. No? So in this f is equal to 0, so it will become x square plus y square plus 2gx is equal to 0 will take. Constant will take later. Okay. Now here what will get the value here x square plus y square plus 2gx is equal to 0 will get here. 0 we will get here. So we'll do this one with respect to the like we'll take like okay the derivative with the with respect to x here. So it will become 2x plus 2y into dy by dx. So derivative of x with respect to x, no. So this one will come as 2y into dy by dx plus so plus 2g will come. Here is equal to 0. So I will take this 2g to the right side of the equation. It will become 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2g will come. Minus 2g will come here. This I will take it as 2 and this I will take it as 1 here. Okay, so what we have to do again here means, so one thing I can do now. So yes, this 2g is there, na? 2g I will submit in this equation here, or else here I will submit. Where I will submit here? Anyone here I will submit x square plus y square is equal to minus 2gx there, na? So 2gx we can write, na? So in this area I will submit here. So x square plus y square is equal to minus 2 into where gx only, na? So here what we have got 2g. 2g means this 2g will goes away. X into mm, this will become here. What will come? That will so 2x plus 2y into y1. So y1 means dy by dx here. This will come here. So this one is here x square plus y square is equal to 2x square. So this is plus 2xy y1 here. So this will I will bring it right side of left side of right side of the equation. It will become 2x square minus x square minus y square uh, plus 2x y1 is equal to 0 will come. So this is x square minus y square will come plus 2x y y1 will come here is equal to 0 is equal to 0 will come here. And anything can do here we can so I will we can write it as x square minus y square plus 2xy into dy by dx. So this is equal to 0. So this is the answer of given question here. Now moving to the next question, second one. Now second question is given the parabolas each of which has a latus rectum with the 4a, okay, and whose a axes are parallel to the x-axis. So this is parallel to the x-axis. So this is 4a. 4a will come latus rectum. Okay, so this will come like diagram this one. So you will find this equation in the 3.11. So that is page number 109. 109 page number. There you will find this formula 3.11. So there you will we have to use that formula here. Okay, so that is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. This is the formula where we have to use here. So he asking us to where the parabolas. This is a parabola formula here, so which has a latus rectum with a 4a. So this is 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis. Okay, na? So differentiating with this one is the x. Differentiating with the with respect to x. So it will become uh, dy by dx of y minus k whole square is equal to d by dx of 4a into x minus h will come here. X minus h will come. So it will become 2 of y minus k will come. This is I told you already d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to like that. In the x to the x plus y minus k is there whole power of 1 minus 2 into derivative of d by dx dy by dx will remain. So this derivative here now is equal to dy dx of 4a. 4a constant outside x is equal to 1 will come minus 0 will come. So is equal to 4a will come here again. So what will come here? 2y minus k into y1 is equal to 4a will come here. This one here. Okay. Here 2 will get cancelled. Here this will remain 2. Okay. So I will write here or else I will erase this total here. Okay. Mhm. Now here what we have got y minus k into y1 is equal to 2a we got. No? So we'll do again derivative of this one with respect to x. Okay, so it will become this is u and this is v method, uv method. So dy by dx of uv is equal to uv dash. So y minus k into v dash is equal to y2 will come. Y1 already there now, so y v dash come. So again this is y1 will there. Okay, uv v dash u dash uv dash v u dash. U dash means how much will come here again. So this is derivative will come to it will become y1 again will come dy by dx will come dy by dk is equal to 0 will come here is equal to this dy by dx of 2a is equal to 0. Okay, y minus k into y2 is sorry plus this is y1 whole square will come here is equal to 0. So we can write it as y minus k into d square x by dx square plus d square y by actually d square y by. So this is dy by dx whole square we can write is equal to 0. So this is answer of given question. Okay, this is y minus k is equal to we can write it as y minus k is equal to 2a like. So if you want to do like that or else keep here only this is the answer of this given question, or if you want to do anything you can do more. Now we'll move to the third question. Now third question is given here. This is third question. The parabolas having their foci at the origin. Parabolas at the foci at the origin means 0 comma 0, no foci is 0. So and his axis along as x-axis, x-axis also 0. So total answer will come as like this. What parabolas what is parabolas axis is y square is equal to 4ax will come, na? So 4ax means x plus a will come here, x plus a, x-axis with the a like. So this is what we have to get the question here, and we have to derivative with respect to x here. So it will become uh, 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a into x is equal to 1. So 1 will come here So a will constant, no, is will become 0. So it will become 2y, y1 is equal to 4a will come. 2y1 is equal to 4a. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja will get cancelled. And y1 is y1 we got now here. Anything we can do here? Can you tell anyone? So a is equal to, so to a is equal to y1 divided by 2 we can write here. So y1 divided by 2 we can write. So this a value will submit in the question here. So y square is equal to 4 into a is equal to y1 divided by 2, no? So into x in x plus a is equal to, so y1 divided by 2 we can submit here in this area. So it will become y square is equal to, okay, y square is equal to, hmm, so y square is equal to 4 into, like this is 2x will come here, na? So 2x. So 4 into, so 2 1 ja will get cancelled, no? So it will become 2. So this is 2 y1 plus this is with respect to 2x plus y1 divided by 2 will come here. 2 will come. Uh, Sorry student, this is not plus, this is into actually. Okay. So here y square is equal to 2y1 into 2x plus y1 divided by 2 will come here. So 2 will come there. So what we can do here, 2 will get cancelled here, and again y square is equal to this is 2 into x y1 will come plus y1 y square plus y1 square will come here. Lastly y square y1 square will come here, and this is the answer here. Y square is equal to, y square is equal to what will come here, actually y square is enough. So y square 2 into 2xy y1 plus y square y1 square. So in this y, from this y, from this y will get cancelled. Three terms we will got this. Okay. So answer is y is equal to, so not y is equal to, this is will write like I will bring this y to the inside of the equation. It will become what will come, y1 whole square is equal to this y1 whole square is equal to, I will write it as dy by dx of whole square, and plus this is 2 y1 2x dy by dx. This y will goes inside, so it will become minus y is equal to 0. So this is answer here, third question. So this is end of this section 3 here. Okay, so now I will tell you something. So this second question I will tell you in the next video. Okay, next video. Thank you guys. Or else I will take this as a separate session. This separate session, but because this is a big question. Okay, I will take in the next video. Thank you guys. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe karo yaar. Thank you guys.